Have you ever deposited money into a Forex broker, made some profitable trades, but then, when it came time to withdraw, you had to wait endlessly, maybe even a whole week, and your money still hadn't hit your account? That feeling is incredibly frustrating, isn't it? Having your capital tied up is not only inconvenient but also shakes your confidence. But the good news is, not every broker in the US operates like that. If you want your profits in your hands quickly and safely, without those long, anxious waits, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're going to spotlight the top Forex brokers in the US known for their fast withdrawal processes, often under 48 business hours, all updated for 2025. Ready to make sure your capital always flows freely? Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into our top list, let's quickly touch on why fast withdrawal speeds are such a critical factor when choosing a Forex broker. First, it gives you financial flexibility. Need your money urgently? You can access it quickly. Second, it's a sign of trustworthiness. A broker that processes withdrawals promptly usually indicates good financial health and professional operations. And finally, it reflects how much a broker respects its clients. Clearly, no one wants to feel like their money is being held hostage. The reality is, withdrawal processing times can vary dramatically from one broker to another. To get your money fast, it's also important to understand a bit about the common ways your money travels. In the US, Forex brokers typically support these methods. First, ACH transfer, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse. This is a very common electronic transfer method between US banks. The upside is it's often free or very low cost. The downside? It might take 1 to 3 business days for the money to actually land in your bank account after the broker processes it. Second, wire transfer. This is usually faster than ACH, especially for larger amounts, and the money can arrive the same day or the next business day. However, wire transfers typically come with a fee, which can range from $20 to $50 depending on your bank and the broker. Third, debit card. Some brokers allow you to withdraw funds directly back to the debit card you used for depositing. If supported, and you use that card to deposit, this can be a very quick option, with funds potentially arriving within 1 to 3 business days, sometimes even sooner. Fourth, PayPal and other e-wallets. While not as common for Forex withdrawals in the US compared to other regions, a few US brokers might support PayPal. If available, this is often one of the fastest methods once the withdrawal is approved by the broker. Which method your broker supports and their internal processing time will directly impact how quickly you get your money. And now, the main event. Based on the latest information, reputable reviews, and feedback from the US trading community, here are the standout names for fast and reliable withdrawal processing, typically under 48 business hours, as of 2025. First up, let's talk about Oanda. Oanda is consistently praised for its transparency and efficiency in financial operations, including withdrawals. Regarding their withdrawal processing time, Oanda usually handles withdrawal requests from US clients very quickly. Many users report receiving their funds within 1 to 2 business days, especially with common methods. Their website also notes that debit card withdrawals typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. ACH withdrawals are in a similar time frame. For standout withdrawal methods, they support ACH, wire transfer, and notably, withdrawals back to debit cards if you used one for deposits. In some instances, Oanda might also support PayPal, which can offer near-instant transfers after approval. A quick tip: to maximize speed with Oanda, ensure your account is fully verified, and consider using debit card withdrawals if you deposited that way. Oanda is also well regarded by the community for its transparency regarding any potential fees. With its combination of speed and flexible options, Oanda is a strong contender. Next, let's look at IG. IG is a major global broker with a strong, fully licensed presence in the US. They are also known for a pretty good withdrawal process. For withdrawal processing time, IG generally aims to process withdrawal requests within 24 business hours. In practice, many US traders receive their funds within 1 to 2 business days, meeting that under 48-hour benchmark. Regarding withdrawal methods, common options include bank transfers like ACH and wire, and withdrawals back to debit cards. Sources like BrokerChooser often mention that IG processes withdrawals efficiently and typically doesn't charge for basic withdrawal methods. User experience. Overall, IG receives positive feedback for clarity and speed in their withdrawal process for US clients. If you're looking for a large, reputable broker with a reliable withdrawal process, IG is definitely one to consider. Our third top choice is Forex.com. As one of the leading Forex brokers in the US, Forex.com also offers an optimized withdrawal process. For their withdrawal processing time, according to information from Forex.com itself, they often process debit card withdrawals within 24 hours for the funds to be returned to the card, and wire transfers can take up to 48 business hours. ACH bank transfers are also processed in a similar time frame. For withdrawal methods, key options include debit or credit cards, with a preference for refunding to the original deposit source, ACH bank transfers, and wire transfers. An important note: Forex.com has clear rules about the priority order for withdrawals if you've deposited using multiple methods. Be sure to check their website carefully. With its experience and long-standing presence in the US market, Forex.com offers a certain peace of mind for financial transactions. Now, regardless of which broker you choose, here are a few golden tips to help make your withdrawal process as smooth and fast as possible. First, complete your account verification, also known as KYC, as soon as possible. This is a mandatory step. No reputable broker will process withdrawals for an unverified account. Do this right when you open your account. Second, use the same method for withdrawals as you did for deposits, if possible. Many brokers prefer or require this, and it often speeds up the process due to anti-money laundering regulations. Third, pay attention to cutoff times. Submit your withdrawal request before the broker's daily processing cutoff time to get it handled sooner. Fourth, check for any fees. Some faster withdrawal methods might come with a fee, so consider that. And fifth, be a little patient with your first withdrawal. The very first one might take a bit longer due to additional security checks. So, to sum up, Oanda, IG, and Forex.com are top names in the US for 2025. If you're looking for Forex brokers with fast and reliable withdrawal speeds, often under 48 business hours, remember, beyond speed, safety, and US regulatory protection are also extremely important. Now, here's a question for you. When choosing a Forex broker, what do you prioritize more? Super low spreads or lightning fast withdrawal speeds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video provided helpful information, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll put any relevant links for these brokers in the description. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and may your withdrawals always be swift. See you next time.